Hello YouTube, it's Alberto, and I'm here to talk about BitSeven. BitSeven is a broker just like Bitmex. It basically allows you to leverage trade cryptocurrencies. Bitmex allows you to leverage trade cryptocurrencies. For example, if you want to put a 50x leverage, you're going to make 50 times the profit. And that's what's so good about it, because you can get so much out of a trade from a small percentage move. And those are for people who are like day traders. Now, BitSeven is basically they allow you to do 200x leverage. Now Bitmex, they only allow you to do a maximum of 100x leverage. So this is what's better about BitSeven. Now I don't recommend a 200x leverage because that is really risky. It's really risky, but if you know what you're doing, why not? See, you make 200% profit if the price rises by 1%, but that is extremely risky. You have to get the small chart and really see what you're doing. Now you make a profit whether Bitcoin prices rises or falls. That's good. So you can short Bitcoin. You can short other cryptocurrencies also. I'm not sure if this site has as much cryptocurrencies as Bitmex, but it's still a good idea to check, as Bitmex doesn't really seem US friendly or anything, so people have to use VPNs. But if you're in the US and you want to check out BitSeven, that would be a good idea, because I think you could just go on and hop on this site with no problem, just start trading. Now, lightning fast execution speed guarantees swift and effective transactions. You can also trade on mobile phones and tablets. 1,270,000 users from all around the world, has been satisfied with our service. BitSeven offers the maximum leverage amount of 200x, which is a lot. It's really crazy how they allow you to do up to 200x on Bitcoin, and provides high leverage on altcoin trading. So that's good too. Coins are safe from intrusion or hacking. We keep all funds in cold storage. Okay, so this is looking like a very good site right now. I would go check it out if I was you. It's really good looking. Now, they don't look like they have many altcoins, but hey, still a good site to check out. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, leave a comment below.